Good morning, dear students. Welcome to St. Mary English High School. Hope you all are good and fine at your home. Dear student, today we are going to start the new chapter. This chapter is very lengthy. That's why I'm going to divide into two parts. First part I'm going to teach you today, and the second part I'm going to teach you in a second video. The story 12 month is an Russian tale. The story brings out an easy way of remembering the months. Here the chapter, lesson number 5, the 12 months, English Balvarti textbook, standard 5th. In this chapter, the story revolves around a mother with her two daughters. One was his own daughter and one was her stepdaughter. So today we are going to study very beautiful story. Yeah, I read the paragraph and explain you the chapter. Once upon a time, in a far away country, there lived a mother who had two daughters. One was her own child, the other was her stepdaughter. So far away the country there lived a mother who stayed with his two daughters, with her two daughters. One was his own child and one was her stepdaughter. She was very fond of her own daughter. She take care of her own daughter very well, but she hates her stepdaughter. Why she hates her stepdaughter? Let's see. But she hated her stepdaughter. The only reason was the Morukula, the stepdaughter, was prettier than her own daughter Holina. The reason was Morukula looked very beautiful and she was very gorgeous. Because of this, the stepmother and stepdaughter was jealous. Let's move to the second para. So what happened? Let's see. The gentle-hearted Morukula did not know how beautiful she was, and so she could never make out why her mother was always so cross with her. So she was surprised. The Morukula was surprised that why her stepmother and stepsister not love her. So that he was very confused. Poor Morukula was very confused that why her mother is not loving her and loving to her sister. Morukula had to do all the housework, tidying up the cottage, cooking, washing, spinning, waving, and swing. She liked work and she did all without any complaint. She do all the housework alone and not a single complaint she do with her mother or sister that I do all the work alone. Without any complaint, she do all the work of the house alone. Then also, even then, Holina and her mother scolded and hated her, abuse Morukula every day. That's then also she is doing all the work of the house. Then also her mother and the sister, stepsister, beating Morukula and giving abuse words. They decided to throw her out in the freezy cold right to her. So one day what they decided? They decided that we will send Morukula in the forest and throw out in the this freezy cold to the right of her. So they have decided. So one day what happened? The stepsister Holina called her. Go, Moricula, and get me some wallet from the forest. I want to wear them and to smell them, said Holina. So, what happened one day? Her stepsister Holina called her Moricula and said that go in forest and bring some flower, wallet flower for me. I would like to wear and I would like to smell it. But my dear sister, it is impossible to find wallet in the snow, said the poor Moricula. So the Pura Moricula said, where I will find the wallet in such winter season? It is impossible. How dare you argue when I tell you to do something of you you go at once, and if you don't bring me violet from the forest, I will kill you, said the Holina arrogantly. So she ordered her sister Moricula and said, no, you have to bring flower from bring flower from forest to me, otherwise I will kill you. The stepmother caught Moricula turned out of the door and slapped it to after her. So what she has throw Moricula out of the door and shut the door and closed the door and said, "Go and bring violent flower for my daughter." Poor Moricula started crying and started walking in the forest. Moricula went into forest weeping. The snow lay deep and there wasn't a human footprint to see. Moricula went in forest, but she can't see any human being in the forest or a single footprint in the snow. Moricula wondered about for a long time. She was walking from very long time, and because of that, she feel very hungry, trembling with cold. At last, so what happened? She was walking very, from very long time. She was walking because of that. She was become very tired and she was feeling hungry. At last, she saw a light in the distance. She went towards the glow which came from the top of the mountain. A big fire was burning there and round. So when she was walking, she saw that some light is coming from the mountain. Three of them had snow white blades. Three were not so old, and three were still younger. So she saw a 12 stone, and the person was sitting on the she saw the 12 stone, and each stone 12 person was sitting in each stones. Three of them had two white blades. Three were not so old and three were still younger. The three younger were the handsomest of them all. The three of all of 12, there were three youngest and handsome man she saw there. They were not speaking but all sitting silent. They were all sitting in the group but they were not talking. They were sitting very silently. These 12 men were the 12 months. Great January sat higher of all. His hair and blade were as white as snow, and in his hand he had a cube. So the January month was sitting very higher, and he was having one cube on his hand. Cube means it is a type of a thick and heavy stick. So Great January set it there. Moricula was frightened. She stood still for a time in tear but growing bolder. She went up to them and spoke. Please, sir, let me warm my hand at your fire. Moricula was frightened. She stood still for a far time in terror, but growing bolder, she went up to them and said, "Please, kind sir, let me warm my hand at your fire." She requested Moricula to the person who was sitting near the fire. "The kind sir, can I warm up my hand through this fire?" Because she was walking from very long time and it was winter season, so she was feeling very cold. So she take first, honestly she was very innocent and very good girl, so she has asked and taken permission. She don't went directly there. This is the good manner which shows about the Moricula. Dear student, please have the look that she was so innocent and she was having so manner that she went there and first she asked, can she take the fire, can she warm up her hand from that fire. So what the 12 person were sitting there, what they said, let's see children's. Great January nodded and asked her, "Why have you come here, my dear little girl? What you are looking for?" Now, the great January, the oldest January was the very oldest guy was sitting there. So she asks Moricula, that little girl, what you are doing in such a in such a large forest alone? What you want? What you are searching for? She the gentle January has asked to Moricula. So what Moricula said, let's have a look, dear student. I'm looking for a violence. answered Moricula. So Moricula answered that, Sir, I'm looking for the flower which name is Violet. So I came here to search the flower. This is no time to be looking for Violet, for everything is covered with. So the great January told, this is no time that you came to search for flower. Now where you will get flower? Told great January. He told that now this is everything is covered with the snow, so it is impossible that you will get the flower from here. Yes, I know, but my sister Olina and my stepmother said that I must bring them some violet from the forest. If I don't bring them, they will kill me. Tell me, father, please tell me where I can find them. So she was told that my mother and my sister have stepsister and mother have sent me here. If I am not going to find the violet flower, they going to kill me. So she request to great January the ki father, please tell me can from where I can get the flowers. So March looked the high seat upon the stone and waved the cube over the fire. The fire blast of the snow began to melt, the tree began to bend, and the ground was at one covered with the grass. It was springtime. So the January gave the cube to the March and he waved it up, and as he waved it, and a blast of strong light has came from the fire, and every snow started to melt. As the snow started to melt, the ground was one covered with grass. It was springtime. The violets began to bloom among the little leaves, and before Moricula had time to think, so many of them had sprung up, they took like a blue cloth spread on the ground. So, whatever the flowers spread on the ground, and Moricula was surprised. Moricula Moricula picked them joyfully. She had a big bunch. Then she thanked the month with all her hearted and scrambled merrily to home. Then she picked all the flowers and went at home. The Horina and her stepmother wondered when they saw Moricula bringing the violet flower. They opened the door to her, and slat of violet filled of the cottage. So they were surprised from where she got flower in such winter season. Where did you get? Asked Holina so quickly. So she asked very surprisingly, from where he got this. Though Holina, her stepdaughter, expressed anger by remaining silent. They are growing under the bushes in the forest on the height of the mountains. So she answered. Her sister Moricula has answered to her stepdaughter that I found there the bunches of flower was there, so I pick up for you all. Now the sister, the whole stepdaughter and the stepmother was surprised that how she got the so beautiful flower in such season. So what they decided, this again started to play a game with Moricula. Next day she called to her sister and said, go Moricula and get me some strawberry from the forest. Then they started using their strategy. They told that again we will send Moricula to the forest, and we will send him in such a winter season, so she will not able to come in at home. So what happened, the stepmother caught hold on the Moricula and pulled her out of the door and shut it after. Moricula went to the forest weeping. The snow was laying deep, and there wasn't a human being. So Moricula again started crying and went in forest alone. She has not found any human, as it was winter season and there was snow all over the ground. So she went crying and weeping and started walking in the forest. Again, when she reached started walking he she was walking from very long time. So she feel very hungry, and her legs started to pain because it was winter season and everywhere snow was there. So again she was wandering from very long time and searching for a strawberry. At last, what happened? The footprint to be seen anywhere. She wandered about for a long time, troubled by hunger and trembling. So finally, she reached there where she first where saw the 12 months. At last, she saw the light she had seen the other day. Overjoyed, she went towards it. She kept to great fire with the 12 months sitting round it. Please, kind sir, let me warm my hand at the fire. Again, she requested to the 12 mans, can I get little fire and warm myself? Great January nodded and asked her, why have you came again, and what are you looking for here? So again the Great January asked her a question. Now what you want again? Why you came again here? I'm looking for the strawberry. My sister Holina and my stepmother tell me to bring some strawberry from here. Otherwise, if I'm not going to take, they are going to kill me. So I'm looking for the strawberry as ordered by my sister and my stepsister. Tell me, father, tell me, please, where I can find them. So again, she requested to the Great January, "Ki please tell me, father, can from where I can find the strawberry?" June took the high seat upon the stone and swung the cube over the fire. The fire sloughed up and its head melted the snow in a moment. So the June has picked up the cube on the top, and again the fire blasted all over and all the snow melt out. The ground was all green, the tree was covered with the leaves, the birds began to sing, and the forests were filled with all kind of flowers. As the June month wave the cube on the top, all the blast of the fly melt all the snow from the ground, and it started growing all the leaves and flower from the ground. So this reap at once, and before Moricula had time to think, there were so many of them that its look as through a red carpet and have been spread on the ground. Pick them at once, Moricula commanded June. So as all thing were became very beautiful, very nice, the strawberry as spread like a red carpet on the ground. So June commanded to Moricula, and Moricula have not a second to think what it happened suddenly. So the June month commanded given order to Moricula that pick all the strawberry at once. Pick them all the strawberry at once. So in this story, dear student, first time the stepmother and daughter send Moricula in the forest to search for flower. In second time they send Moricula for search of strawberry, which with the help of 12 months she found in the forest. The 12 month helped Moricula to search strawberry and flower from the forest. So in this is the first part which I have explained you today, and the second part I'm going to explain you in our second video. Hope you all understood this first part. Thank you student, take care, bye bye.